Here I have a PC laptop with hinges problem. The hinge starts separating from the screen, and the customer also tried to glue the hinge, but it doesn't work. I usually get this problem from a lot of HP laptop, but this one is not an HP laptop. This is Acer laptop. Alright, let's turn it on. You can see the Acer logo, and the screen looks fine. The screen is not cracked and not damaged. Let's shut it down. And that's the problem right here. I'm gonna remove the old glue. So the customer tried to use hot glue to fix the hinge, but as you can see, it doesn't work. I know some people on YouTube, some reputable technician on YouTube use hot glue to fix the hinge, but I will never use that, and I'm not going to use that because as you can see, it doesn't work. What I use here is a steel epoxy. There we go. All right, and let's fix the cable. The Wi-Fi antenna cable is tucked in nicely. I'm gonna leave it clamped for about 12 to 15 hours until the epoxy is fully cured. Oh, look at this. Going to therapy is cool. Alright, it's been about 12 hours. Let's unclamp the hinge. There you go. The screen is good, it's not cracked, and it's not damaged. And the hinge, is fixed. The laptop is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.